I do not have any master except the Filipino people. Nobody but nobody.
Anang pamilyahan na para hinog, undang namog panghadlok. I will wipe you from the face of the earth.
Pareho man kami, may mga kabit rin. Sila, bispo, ako, mayor noon. Mga pare, putang ina, buisit. You know, United Nations, if you can say one bad thing about me, I can give you 10. My campaign against drug will not stop until the last pusher and the last drug lord are ginanon ako, and every time they said, we will cut our assistance. Sabi ko sa kanila, putang ina ninyo, wag mo kaming gawing aso. Who discovered the Philippines? The answer was Magellan. Anak na. Kung ako ang presidente noon, sampalin kita pag ginawa ko. Sabi nila ako daw ang pinaka-unpopular sa international press. Wala akong pakialam, putang ina ninyo. Kung matuto kayong magsabi, ako'y Pilipino, putang ina mo, wag mo akong lukuhin sa bayan ko, letse ka. Nung nabasa ko yung iyo condemnation sa akin, sabihin ko sa kanila, fuck you. As again, I repeat it, fuck you. I was a prosecutor once. But if somebody raped my daughter because he was hooked into drugs and killed my daughter, my God, I will kill you. Let it be known to everybody. Pati pa itong iyo di puta. Sabi na doon, bully daw ako. Talagang bully ako, especially to the enemies of the state. Talagang bully ako.
So, thank you for making that of record.
Alam sa kriminal kung saan silang impernong gusto nilang pumunta.
Sir, hindi kayo magkaroon ng serious repercussions po yung statements na binigay nyo about UN just now, sir?
What is repercussions? I don't give a shit to them. Sa CNN, pati BBC since yesterday, said that Duterte admits killing or shooting the criminals. Hindi sila nagkamali. Putang ina, papatayin ko talaga magagawa. You make your own history in this planet.
Yes, Mr.
Yun
Chair.
ang gusto nilang mangyari. Doon sila sa impyerno at doon tayo magkita.
Wala namang jurisdiction ng Senado sa impyerno. Dito lang sa bansa natin pwede tayong mag-investigate.
Ba't doon tayo pupunta?
Wala po akong ambisyon pumuntang impyerno pa. Pero Mr. Chair, ang
hirain
punto
kita,
lang
ma'am.
nito.
Season, yung ospital mo, wala kang bayad-bayad. Tumaawa ka naman sa Norwegian government, magpakamatay ka na lang. Destroy the Abu Sayyaf, destroy the NPA, and destroy the drug organization. If destroying is killing, if you are interested to know, yes, better. When you bomb Syria and Iraq, and you kill communities, and you kill children and old people and hospital, what is it? And why is it that United States is not doing anything? I do not read anybody in that stupid body complaining about the stench there of that. There is always a time for everything. There is always a time for you to make money and make a mockery out of our laws. There's always a time for you to be in control even if you are inside the prison. But there is always a time to rest and to die. We will cut the assistance. Putang ina, iilo ninyo yung pera ninyo. You know what is an ilo? That's a piece of paper. When you run out of toilet paper, you wipe out your ass. God damn it. God damn, you tell that to that American there. Or better still, tell him that I will pay him a visit if there is time. You just tell me where I can find him. So yun. The mayor is asking where can he see you? Ako pupunta doon. Gago. Ngayon si mayor. Oo, kaya kita Davao maganda. Patay naman lahat, pero maganda. Sabi ko, Judge, putahin mo, sipain kita. Sabi niya, sige, sipain mo. Pumunta ako doon sa opisina niya, sinipa ko. Aga ikaw ngayon. Gusto mo, barilin kita? Sabi niya, wag. O, lagi.